Hey, what is up, guys? It's MKC Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a cool new Cydia package, I guess. It's a compiled list of all the Apple Ad ringtones over the years, so dating back to the iPhone 4, 4S, the old iPads, the MacBook Pros, and it's just a whole compiled list of all the Apple Ad ringtones. So you can download this for free in the Cydia. I'll have the name, the price, and everything like that. It's in the BigBoss repo as always. But after you download it, just go to Settings, go to Sounds, and the ringtone I have set right now is the iPhone 5 ad. But I'll just show you a couple. I'll just demo a couple of them. So that was the iPad mini ad. That was the iPhone 4S design song. This is the iPhone 5 ad commercial. Here is one of the old ones, the iPod ads, Gorillas. So here's another one. These are all like when they used to use other people's songs. That one's called Submarine, and this is the MacBook Pro ad. So that was the MacBook Pro ad one. So I'll just show you guys one more, and let's see, let's do Hey Mama. So that was called Hey Mama. And so, as I said, this is called Apple Ad Ringtone. So just search that in the Cydia and you'll find it. So guys, if you liked this video, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, peace.